Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to your bank on the Branch app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a balance on the Branch app and you want to go ahead and transfer some money out. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is log on to the Branch app, and then you're going to click on the minus icon right over here. And then you're going to click on transfer to another bank. So it's going to ask if you need your funds now. We're going to click on no continue. And then it's going to redirect you to what's called Plaid. So Plaid is what Branch uses in order to connect securely to different bank accounts. We're going to click on Get Started. And I'm going to go off screen for a bit just because it's going to email me or message me a verification code. And then now you want to go ahead and select your accounts that you want to go and transfer money to. So right now I'm currently selecting my bank. Then depending on which bank you choose, it's going to go ahead and ask you to log into that specific bank. So for example, if you have Bank of America, it's going to ask you to log into your Bank of America. And now it's going to ask you to link your account or Bank of America account with Branch. And so with it, you're going to select which checkings accounts you want to go ahead and connect to Branch. So you'll basically just select which checkings accounts or savings accounts to connect to Branch. And then afterwards, it's going to go ahead and take a couple of seconds to load as Plaid is now connecting your bank with your current bank. And so with it, it's going to ask you to send a verification link to your phone number. So go into your messages and then click on the link to verify your phone number with Branch. And now it's going to say that your account has been successfully connected. So the next thing that it's going to go ahead and do is that it's going to ask you which account should we transfer funds to. So go ahead and select the account you want to go ahead and transfer funds to. And then afterwards, enter the amount that you want to go ahead and transfer. And then as long as everything looks good, go ahead and swipe up as far as transferring the money to your account goes. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and transfer money from Branch to your bank account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.